Work from home jobs in Utah that don't require any experience? I got you covered. The first company that you can explore is FoundEver. They currently have a remote job opening for a work-at-home financial customer service role. In this position, you'll handle inbound service calls using voice, chat, and email communications. For this position, you should have excellent communication skills. You should be a problem solver with a can-do attitude. You'll need a high school diploma or GED. And you must be able to pass a background check and drug screen. This position is available in the following states, including Utah. The pay rate for this position is $12 to $17 per hour, and it does come with benefits. The second company that you can explore is Working Solutions, and they are hiring early access customer service representatives. These are independent contracting roles that pay up to $19 per hour. In these positions, you can create your own schedule, and your hours can range from 15 to 40 per week. The qualifications for this position are a sincere desire to assist the customer. You have to be tech savvy, have the ability to multitask, and communicate with a friendly and professional demeanor. This position is available in all states except California, New York, Pennsylvania, or Washington, and you must be able to pass a criminal background check. The third company you can explore is Cambly, and they hire online tutors to help individuals practice their conversational English skills. No experience is required for these positions, however, you should have a willingness to help students learn English. In these online roles, you can tutor anytime and anywhere, and you'll get paid weekly. Cambly hires from all U.S. states except California. The fourth company you can explore is NextRep, and they hire remote agents to work from home providing customer care, inbound sales, and outbound sales. In these independent contracting roles, you get to set your own schedule, work on a wide variety of projects, and provide service via phone, chat, email, text, and social media. NextRep hires in 33 U.S. states, including Utah, and no experience is needed. The fifth and final company you can explore is Inbox Done. They hire independent contractors for inbox management to assist clients with their email. The salary for these positions is $16 to $17 per hour, and they also offer paid holidays and unlimited retention and upgrade bonuses. No experience is needed, and they do provide paid training. For more work-from-home companies that don't require any experience, head on over to theworkathomewoman.com.